Right, so guys and girls, this is part 3, the final part of the Peugeot. Now, I was filming putting the bumper back on and the front end back together, but seeing as we had the hottest days on record in the UK, my camera crashed. So I couldn't actually film putting the bumper on. So what I've done is, everything's fitted at the front, everything's nice and secure. We've got little Jack here as well. There he is. Say hello, Jack.
Hello.
He's a good lad, isn't he? So the whole front end's back together, and I've given it a wash. Now I wanted to do the final part to show you what I did basically on the driveway with no special tools. Just put it back together. Now, if you have a look at part 1, which will be in the description, you'll see what it started life out as to what it looks like now. So all the lines, if you can see the bonnet line there, perfect. Headlights, perfect. Fog lights, everything is back together. Now the car looks really, really good. And that's come up so nice. From, like I say, from what it started to what it is now. So what I might even do is, I might even put some pictures floating around, somewhere around here, of what it looked like before. So you can compare it on here. But you definitely want to go check out part 1 and 2. Links will be down below. And then, that's it, guys. So that's part 3, the final time you're going to see this Peugeot on my driveway being repaired. Particularly the crash damage. Customer may want more stuff done in the future, but hey ho, that is another story. So here it is, guys, the final of the Pug 207, all fixed with a nice new set of dentures. So thank you very much, guys. It's been great to bring you along for this and this final episode. I will see you very soon for another installment on Tech Automotive. Who knows what it could be, guys. Take care. See you very soon. Say bye, Jack.